मैं राकेश कुमार टाक, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। आज हम अमीनो एसिड्स की रिएक्शंस के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे कि अमीनो एसिड्स में किस तरह से रिएक्शंस होती हैं और किन कारणों से या किन ग्रुप्स की वजह से ये रिएक्शंस होती हैं। मुख्य रूप से यदि देखा जाए तो अमीनो एसिड्स में अमीनो ग्रुप्स, कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप्स या फिर अमीनो और कार्बोक्सिलिक दोनों ग्रुप्स की वजह से और या फिर ये साइड चेन की वजह से रिएक्शंस होती हैं। तो हम एक एक कर आज इन रिएक्शंस के बारे में जो अमीनो एसिड्स की हैं उसका अध्ययन करेंगे। अमीनो एसिड्स के कारण जो रिएक्शंस होती हैं उनमें मुख्य रूप से जो रिएक्शंस हैं वो ऑक्सीडेटिव डिटर्मिनेशन, ट्रांसएमिनेशन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बामिनो कंपाउंड्स मुख्य रूप से हैं। सर्वप्रथम हम ऑक्सीडेटिव डिटर्मिनेशन, डीएमिनेशन के बारे में बात करेंगे। एन अमीनो ग्रुप इज़ रिमूव्ड एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्फा कीटो एसिड इज़ फॉर्म्ड। Alpha keto acid produces either or converted to glucose or ketone bodies or is completely oxidized. You can see with this example in which amino acid is के अंदर जो है ऑक्सीडेटिव डीएमिनेशन होता है। द्वितीय रिएक्शन, सेकंड रिएक्शन जो है वो ट्रांस एमिनेशन वाली है। यहाँ पर ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ एन अल्फ़ा अमीनो ग्रुप फ्रॉम एन अमीनो एसिड टू एन अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड टू फॉर्म ए न्यू अमीनो एसिड एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग कीटो एसिड्स which can be easily be seen in this reaction. This is the reaction in which we can see the third reaction, which is formation of carbon amino compounds. Carbon dioxide binds to alpha amino acids on a globulin chain of hemoglobin to form carbamino hemoglobin. The reaction takes place at alkaline pH and serves as a mechanism for the transfer of carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs by hemoglobin. We can see with this reaction easily the formation of carbamino compounds. The next reaction means the reactions due to carboxylic group. We can see that the reactions due to carboxylic group, decarboxylation and formation of amide linkages means mainly the reactions due to carboxylic group is decarboxylation. Amino acids undergo alpha decarboxylation to form corresponding amines. Here we can see the examples of glutamic acid, histidine and tyrosine. The next reaction due to carboxylic group is formation of amide linkages. Non-alpha carboxylic groups of an acidic amino acids reacts with ammonia by condensation reaction to form corresponding amides. The example are aspartic acid, एस्पराजीन बनता है जिसमें, ग्लूटामिक एसिड, ग्लूटामीन बनता है जिसमें, and the third reaction which is due to the both amino and carboxylic groups is the formation of peptide bond. Carboxylic group of an amino acid binds with amino acids of another amino acids forming a peptide bond with the loss of one molecule of water. You can see with this example, and these are the reactions in which we can see the both amino and carboxylic groups reactions. The reactions due to side chains. We can say these types of reactions which occurred due to the side chains, mainly the two reactions, that is ester formation, means esterification, as well as reactions due to SH group, means the formation of sulfide bonds. If we see in esterification, OH containing amino acids, that is serine, thyrine, can be esters with phosphoric acid in the formation of phosphorate proteins. In figure 1, we can see this with this first figure. The OH group containing amino acids can also form glycosides by forming orthoglycosidase bond by carbohydrate residues, which can be seen in this second figure. We can easily see the example. The next reactions due to SH group, means the formation of sulfide bonds. Cysteine has sulfhydryl group SH group and can form a disulfide, that is SS bond with another cysteine residue. We can see this with the example. The next is the formation of disulfide bond. Two cysteine residues can contact with two polypeptides and they connect each other. Two polypeptides can each other connect, contains by the formation of interchain disulfide chains. Basically, the examples are like this. This is the example of this. The next reaction is transmethylation. The methyl group of methionine can be transferred after activation to acceptor of the formation of important biological compounds. For examples, we can see in this figure that the conversion of non 5-acyl methionine. This is the example of the formation of transmethylation. There are some color reactions of amino acids. You can see with this chart the color reactions of amino acids. We can see that the ninhydrin test for alpha amino acids. We will take all these reactions in next lesson, in next topic, especially for the color reactions of amino acids. Thank you.